What's up, guys? This is another four-wheeler video. So if you noticed in that last four-wheeler video, the four-wheeler wasn't right. When we put the wires on the controller the right way, how they're color-coded, the motor was going in reverse. So we tried to switch the wires to make the motor go forward, but the controller doesn't like that. It's messing up the hall sensors. So we got a hold of Electro & Co. and they told us what the problem is, and that system, yeah, it's made for a chain on the left-hand side. Well, that four-wheeler has the chain on the right-hand side. So we're gonna use this four-wheeler, which has a chain on the left-hand side, and we're gonna put the wires back how they're color-coded, how they're supposed to be. And then with the chain on the left-hand side, with the wires in the right position, it'll go forward, it'll work how it's supposed to. So that's what we're doing. This is another four-wheeler video. We're gonna rebuild the four-wheeler where it works how it's supposed to. That thing's 90 horsepower and it's supposed to rip, and it's not supposed to do all that clanking and stuff that you guys seen in the last video. Yeah. So we're gonna fix that problem and make a new four-wheeler in this video. I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse and we're gonna strip this thing completely so it's just a bare frame. So here we go. Alright guys, there it is. We got it stripped. Next step now is to take it to Aaron's at Makerspace. He's going to help us with it, and we're going to make a mount for the motor, like a tray for the motor mount to sit on and bolt to. But we got it all stripped. This is going to be the four-wheeler that's going to be the electric four-wheeler. We're going to put our system in it, and we'll be back with Aaron to weld in the motor mounts. We'll see you guys in a split. All right, now go ahead. We're here at Makerspace, guys. Whoop. Hold on, let him get the other door open.
You want to grab the stuff?
All we need is the motor and the motor mount. got the seat too. Oh well.
Sure did.
Yeah, I didn't want to have to cut that out of there because eventually, if this YouTube takes off, I'm going to buy another system for that 4-wheeler. One that's made for. I'll contact Electro and go in advance and ask them to make it for a left hand or a right hand drive.
That was the other one was what, 110cc 4-wheeler, but it had like a little baby on it. No, it was like 50cc.
Yeah, it was like 50. I think is what it was.
Yeah.
Something like this might work. Cut it in half and double it up.
Yeah, I mean, you're free to put some metal there, some metal back there in that corner. Look and see if I have something.
I just didn't want to cut that out of there. You know, I already paid you to put it in there. I figured we might as well keep it like that in case I want to use it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me find something. Use that. If not, you're gonna have to source something.
See, I voted to cut it out, and we were just like, well, just leave it. Yeah, it's almost the same frame. It's just the rear end is like flipped around.
What about this? Like 2 pieces of it welded together?
Yeah.
It was a lot easier without that wall in the center to get to the bolts. We got a bolt.
Yeah. I kind of like the way we had that one.
Yeah. Should we cut it out?
I think you do what you're saying. Leave that one and source another material that's gonna work.
Okay. I don't think this one needs to be near as tall. If you look, we need to keep it as low as possible.
Yeah. Hey, you're having my gloves. Yeah, I brought my own gloves. Sorry. Dude, we took apart like 20, how many of those? Like 25?
Something like that.
Yeah, we took apart like 25 of those suckers, man.
They all had bad written on them though, so they were all bad.
A pain in the neck to get all the thermal paste out of them.
Stuff in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
But we got like $250 worth of copper out of them.
The earplugs.
All right. I'll try. I'm not very good with that stuff, so remind me if I forget.
Gloves. Yeah, I started donning gloves after like every time I touched something, like cut, stab, poke, pinch.
Hold on.
Something.
Line it up. Go that way.
I was gonna just pick it up over it and go that way.
I guess.
That frame a little bit lighter than that other one.
This one's heavier, I think. It's a little bigger. I think this is like a 90cc or 120cc or something like that.
Seems like the wheelbase a lot shorter too.
Yeah. Oh, you mean this way?
Yeah.
Yeah. Narrower, yep.
That means it's more heavy.
But I like these better than the way the other ones were. So, do we need to cut these bars out or just these?
Guess with me.
Yeah.
Oh. You're gonna have to figure that out.
I know these gotta come out.
Yeah, we'll get your motor mount and stick it in there and probably these have to come off at least. If not this. Hopefully you leave that in there. You just cut these off and that off and put it in there. You have a chain for it already?
Yeah, there's one here and we got another one out in the truck.
Alright, take that motor, that mount, stick that on there, just kind of visually look at it.
Well, we might as well cut those off first, hadn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead and cut those off, Tom. Oh, what?
It seems like Then we're at the offset, right?
Yeah.
We might, yeah, like that.
Yeah.
It's not gonna be a huge offset like the other one was, but
Still a pretty good offset.
yeah.
Unless, is there a way to shift that to the left? That shaft tapered?
Yeah, it's got a wide spot made for the axle, or the,
Right.
yeah, this. Put it in there like that, and then run those far holes all the way over to the edge.
Yeah.
Should be enough.
We gotta account for the battery too.
Oh yeah, huh? That means it needs to go actually back here, or even back here. That wouldn't be too bad.
First, we gotta figure out pivot point for the chain. Then we gotta turn around and figure out chain length. So,
Grab that thing. Bring it up here.
that's gonna be way high.
It's got to come over here. Bring it this way. Yeah,
It's gotta go
about right there.
That's gonna be way high.
Oh shit, hold on. You gotta hold it, bro. You can't just let it sit there. Cause I'm holding these pieces. You gotta hold that one. That's about right? Needs to go in a little more.
It needs to go down some.
Okay, well, we'll grind some off of these. I'll figure that out in a minute. Push it in some. Not that much. Back out, square it up. Alright. That should be good. Yeah, that'll work. We got it mocked up for now. These pieces are ready to weld together, and then we can do some more mock-up.
Okay.
We're gonna have to, once we weld these pieces together, we're gonna have to trim more off of this than we did the other one. We're gonna have to lower it down some. Or cut those bars out, but I prefer to take this down so it sits over the bars.
Get one of my grinders. Sanding pads.
That's
Clean that up.
Okay.
Clean your edges so they're round.
Okay. Alright.
on the chain pivot point. That's the height we need to be at to keep it from doing. Remember what the chain was doing when you sit on it? It loosen up.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
We don't even need those.
Yeah.
gonna have to cut these bars out.
No, we don't. Because it doesn't have to go any higher than that.
Then in that case, we can't adjust the motor. He just needs to weld this thing in, but I don't think I want to do that.
I mean, a plate.
Yeah, how about just a plate across there?
Huh?
Just put a flat
Just a
plate.
is all we need.
Oh, yeah.
I don't want one, you know, get one that wide.
And slide it like.
Do you have any flat
Slide.
plate?
I don't know. I don't know if I have any of it. Measure the width of that.
It's got to go way over.
Yeah, that's the other issue.
Yeah, it don't go there. It goes over here, like that.
Put it left more.
Left more.
A little bit more, right there.
So almost touching. Yeah, that's not bad.
That's 7 inches wide. From outside of bar up to outside of bar, it's 7 inches wide.
How about this way?
Six.
6 inches. So if it hangs off, you said this is what? It's about 7 inches wide.
Yep.
From here to there is about 6 inches on center. So if you had about, it's gonna hang off, so you're gonna want that a little bit wider, like maybe 8 inches.
Yeah.
I'd figure that out. You know, hang it off to where it needs to be. Figure out how much wider it needs to be. I guess the plate doesn't need to be.
Yeah, we didn't hang the plate off last time.
Right, because you have adjustment right there.
Yeah, we just took those inside bolt holes out as far as they could go, or the outside bolt holes out as far as they could go.
So if it was like 7.25 wide.
I think two of the, if we double that up over there, weld it together, it'll work. This right here. Cut 2 links and then weld them together.
That body, was that 6 inches? Yeah, 6 inches, those are 3 inches.
Yeah.
So we need what? We need to get the length right. So if we weld it right there to right there, it's about 6 inches on center. It's a little bit more than 6 inches on center, but we're gonna want to hang it off, and we want to put the holes to where
They're on the outside.
on the outside, right?
Yeah, I think so. Because this has to come way over.
And it's got to come back.
So-
Unless we find a longer chain. Well,
It's got to come back about right here.
Put it this way.
In line.
Yeah, in line with that, so we can kind of.
Hold on.
You know, it looks like there's enough here, but I think you're gonna want those holes fairly close to this bar.
Yeah.
So if we cut that stock 7 inches, that'll give us enough overhang
Or even 7.5.
out here.
A little bit extra just to have some meat.
How much further back can you bring the
7.
motor?
You could go 8 if you wanted, but
Yeah, that's fine with me. You can't go no further back, Tommy. It's already going up the hill. It can't go up that hill. See the incline right here? It can't go up that. We're gonna have to change the chain.
let's do 7.5. That'll so that way it doesn't hang out here at all.
Okay.
7.5 gives us about an inch from the edge of that tube.
Yeah, the furthest back it can go, Tommy, is about right there.
I'm trying to look at it and see, like,
And look, if we put it right there, those holes are blocked by that bar.
Now this is
See, look, Aaron. These holes are blocked by that bar. And that's right where the motor needs to go.
for the length.
Well, to be far enough back for the battery to fit.
I'm gonna go grab the other chain.
Okay.
So option one is to cut that out.
What,
Yeah.
cut that bar out?
Yeah, because we are welding this across it, so
Okay.
that would replace it.
Okay, so we probably will cut that bar out. Should we cut it out before you weld it? Yeah, we can cut it out before, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can't really go any further back because it starts going uphill, and I don't really want that. I want it to sit on this flat part right here, but over here.
Yeah, I think you have to cut that bar out.
All right. We gotta cut that bar out. And we're gonna weld in flat plate, and it's gonna replace it.
All right. Now this is a 1/4 inch thick.
Should be plenty, huh?
Well, is that gonna raise the motor too much?
I don't think so. We had that much plate in it.
You guys.
Well, give me a fresh one, please. I always put that back on.
What?
I always put this back on there. We're gonna have to use those two screws right here and right here probably. It looks like it's gonna interfere again.
I'm about to weld.
All right.
All right.
Right there should be lined up with the chain. Try the chain. Help me with the chain. You gotta get one more link. You gotta get one more.
Okay.
Oh shit. Which way does it go this way? Oh, damn.
Straight right there.
Plate's gotta go back some. It's straight right there?
Yep.
Right there?
Yep.
Yeah.
Now let's bolt it.
Hmm?
Let's bolt it and then loosen the rear end and scoot it forward.
Oh, you wanna try that?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
That's what we're gonna have to do.
I can, yeah. We'll take the chain off and we'll bolt this down. We'll bolt it in. And then we'll push it forward. Instead of what, about right there?
But
Does that look like it's lined up this way?
But it looked like it was pretty much in alignment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it did. Where did the clip go, Tommy?
with the clip to the chain.
Oh, it's right there.
So we're not gonna have a ton of weld on this side, but all your torque is gonna be on this side.
Yeah.
So, and we got plenty of
Yeah.
weld to do here. Probably just do one here and one here. There's really no reason to go all the way across. But I'm gonna weld this right here, and then I need the whole thing turned around.
Okay.
Hey, you want to help me turn a four-wheeler?
Nope. I showed you how.
Hold on.
Yeah.
You gotta weld that side first.
Welding. All right, turn it around. Who does your editing?
He does. He does the editing. A lot of the camera work. Because I'm a bad cameraman. A very bad cameraman. He's like, yeah, I'm gonna do this shot. And completely miss it. What do we do? He does all the editing, makes the music and stuff like that.
Still hot, so be careful.
Alright. I got like 2 turns in and it's just like, you know.
It's all right, bro. We'll take it out to our shop and crank it down. Just leave it like it is for now.
Scheiße. And I'll send you a link to the video.
Yeah.
I'm gonna post it. Well, when we post it.
Still recording?
Yes, it is.
Say what's up, Aaron. Anyway, guys, this is Aaron here at Makerspace in Fort Worth. He's helping us with the 4-wheeler. Thanks, Aaron. Appreciate you.
You're welcome.
We got it all done. We're gonna take it out to our shop and finish it. So we'll see you guys out there. We got all the welding done. See, it's all welded. The plate's welded. We just got to finish our part out at the shop. So we'll see you in a minute. All right, guys, we're putting it back together now. He's loosening up that tensioner for the chain so we can get the master link back in it, and I'm mounting the brain. To get it loose? Yep, think so. Oh shit, can you put that in? Oh, I need a flathead screwdriver. You know where one's at?
Right here. Fuck. That's one way to squish your thumb.
Damn, I can't get that on there. There we go. Got it. Now, is the motor straight there? Does it need to come over more? Does it need to go that way? No, that's not straight for sure.
Yeah, that's definitely not straight.
Right there?
Yeah.
Good, because that's all the way over. Should ease up in a minute. It's gotta be going up. Hopefully it's going up. You feel it get tight, pay attention to when it gets tight and don't
Snap it off.
It'll strip easy now. You gotta pay attention when it snugs up, stop.
Yeah.
Is it going up?
Slowly but surely.
Oh.
And it's tight. Oh, shit. The wrench has become part of the build.
Want me to hold this one on the top? I mean, it's pretty tight, but we should try to get the third one anyway.
Yeah.
Oh, this one was already almost all the way. It went right on, so all we gotta do is tighten it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Got the motor in and the brain in. You know, let you work on doing those wires and I'll start putting the battery in. All right?
You want it set up like it was?
Yeah. Whatever's best. Ow, 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 ow.
Wasn't this upside down? Or was it right side up?
It was right side up.
Okay.
Well, that one was upside down. We had to switch it around, but I don't remember which way it goes.
It was upside down while it was on it, right?
Huh?
It was upside down when it was on it, right?
The first time it was upside down, I switched it. When you took it off, it was right side up.
Okay.
Is this sitting on the middle of the bar over there?
No.
Huh?
No, it's all the way, like, well, part of it's sitting in the middle of the bar.
Oh, that's exactly what I
Yeah.
wanted. Yeah, it's sitting right in the middle of it.
Yeah.
It's perfect. Oh, we need to tighten those up too.
Your handlebars just magically readjust as you're riding. Are the Allen wrenches still in the truck?
They're right there.
I need the black set.
Oh, well, I didn't get the black set. They must still be in the truck then. Here, pass this up to me again. Battery's in. Battery's in, brain's in.
Switches are almost in.
Oh wow, look, that almost looks like that would plug right into that. There's nothing that goes to this. This is a blank one. But I think this is what they made this for, is for if you want to put an instrument cluster on it. I think they make an aftermarket instrument cluster that fits on that.
Switches are on. That's it.
Feels different, for sure. We're getting it, guys. We're about to be ready to test it here in a minute. There's the motor. And the battery's in it. We don't have no brakes right now. We're gonna have to fix that. We don't have no rear brakes. We have front brakes, but that's good enough to test it. And then we're getting all the stuff set up, the throttle and the power button and all that stuff. And then we're gonna take it for a test drive. I guess we'll bring it back when we get ready to take it for a test run. Here we go.
Here's the test. The four-wheeler rides out of the darkness. Kenny's surprised face. No clanking, and he is fucking out. Yeah. Take 3. Four-wheeler frame number 3. There's number 1 and 2. Now Kenny's playing Madman on the four-wheeler. No clanking, no grinding, no scraping, no... Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. We have no brakes.
Every given gas it tries to go and the brakes are non-existent. That was scary. You want to try it? We got to fix the brakes, guys. We definitely got to fix the brakes.
Hang on, let me see if I can get some brake working.
We got no back brakes and the front brakes are barely working. It's right now though. No clanging, no banging. It just goes.
Got a little more brakes. All right. Let's... Oh man, you turned the throttle
He's riding along, guys. He's having fun. It's kind of scared me with no brakes. I'll definitely want rear brakes. It's working perfect. We just got to figure out the brakes.